Be proud of the work you do, the brilliant person you are, and the difference you make. Success is a vehicle which moves on a wheel called hard work, but the journey is impossible without fuel called self-confidence. Sometimes you just need to be quiet and allow God to travel people through motive. If there is no struggle, there is no progress. Life is not always perfect. Like a road, it has many paths, up and down, but that its beauty. The quality of your thinking determines the quality of your life. Happiness is not about getting all you want, it is about enjoying all you have. Life is full of give and take. Give things and take nothing, they are granted. Mistakes have the power to turn you into sometime better than you were before. Be different, the world is full of ordinary. Defeat is a state of mind. No one is ever defeated until defeat has been accepted as reality. Challenges make you stronger. Don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done. Your only limit is your mind. Progress is a promise you make to your future self. The version of you 5 years from now is watching. Make them proud. Where there is loyalty, weapons are not yours. If you can stay positive in a negative situation, you win. If you don't challenge yourself, you will never realize what you can become. If you are too innocent, the first thing you lose is respect.